how to connect Crunchyroll to TV. I'm going to show you how easy it is. The simplest way is using a smart TV. Just open your television's app store, search Crunchyroll, download the app, then log in with your account. If you don't have a smart TV, you can use a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Install Crunchyroll from their app stores, sign in, and you're good. For PlayStation or Xbox, go to their store, download the Crunchyroll app, and log in. You can also mirror from your phone by using AirPlay on iPhone or the cast feature on Android. Just open Crunchyroll, hit the cast or AirPlay button, and pick your TV. Once connected, you'll be able to watch anime directly on your big screen without hassle.